Can we do it then?
In critical situations, time is everything, and information can save lives. On the battlefield or during disasters, sending people first is often risky, slow, and uncertain. This is where indigenous drone technology changes the game. Garuda Aerospace drones are designed to operate in tough conditions, providing real-time aerial visibility when ground access is limited or dangerous. For defense and security forces, drones help monitor sensitive zones, track movement, and gather accurate visuals without exposing personnel to risk. During disasters like floods, fires, or earthquakes, drones reach areas where vehicles and rescue teams cannot. They help assess damage, locate stranded people, and guide response teams with precise data. Stable flight, secure communication, and reliable imaging make these drones mission-ready, not experimental tools. Because when decisions must be made fast, guesswork is not an option. Indigenous drones don't just support operations, they improve response time, reduce risk, and strengthen preparedness. That's how technology becomes a force multiplier, on the ground, in the air, and when it matters most.